Hi, this is Brother Barnes, and we're going to calculate the formula mass or weight of copper hydroxide together. I finished it right here, but in the video I made a minute ago, there was a hair on my calculator, and I was chasing it around in the video. I probably should leave that in the video, but I'm not. It's kind of embarrassing. When I look at a formula, a chemical formula, copper hydroxide, I list the elements: copper, oxygen, and hydrogen. And then I list the numbers of each one of these. It looks like there's one copper and there are two oxygens. There are two hydrogens. When I look on the periodic chart, I can see that the atomic weight of hydrogen is 1.007 or something like that. So 2 times 1 is 2. Oxygen is 15.999, but my chemistry lab teacher says round it off. 2 times 16 is 32. Copper is not easily roundable as far as I can tell. I got 63.5 on this one. So let's put 63.5 and let's see if we can add this up by hand. This is kind of scary. Let's bring this decimal down. That 5 comes down. 3 plus 2 plus 2. We've got a 7 here. 6 plus 3 is 9. 97.5 grams per mole. Let's take our calculator. Hopefully it does not have a hair attached to it like the last time I attempted this video. 63.5 plus 32 plus 2. And I got 97.5 grams per mole. It is simply marvelous. And we could probably put something around it to indicate that that is the real answer. Good job.